In this video, I'll show you how you can use get even or get even with when talking about the possibility of revenge. When there's conflict between two sides, let's call this our side or A, and their side or B. One side does something against another side. Let's say their side does something bad against our side. Our side has a reason to do something in return to their side. This is what happens when people or groups get even. In the future tense, you can say something like this. Here's a contraction for we will. Will get even. Or will get even with, and then here's the other side. We'll get even with them. Using the going to future, here's we are, contracted to we're. We're going to get even. Or we're going to get even with them. These sentences are intended for some sort of future action. Here's the past tense, we got even, or we got even with them. You could also use a negative and say something like, we never got even, or we didn't get even. And here in the present perfect tense, we've gotten even with them. If you want to make this negative, which often happens when one side has not yet found some sort of method to get even, then make this negative. We haven't gotten even with them, and then usually end it with yet. We haven't gotten even with them yet. This indicates some future action, some form of retaliation yet to come. Getting even requires time. This is time you need to make plans or set traps. This is in order to surprise someone. You might need to get stronger or buy new things. And finally, you attack or you do something. You have to take some form of action in order to get even. Here's a way that you can talk about getting even with someone. He did something to me. This would be something bad. I did something to him. I got even with him. At first, he was up over me, and I then did something that put us at an even level. I got even with him. Or, now we're even. Now we're even. Tom did something that Maria didn't like. Tom made Maria mad. Now she, Maria, wants to get even. Or we could say Maria wants to get even with Tom. This is the object following the preposition. She did something mean to him. He got even with her for it. Whatever this is. Now they're even. You could just use this word by itself. Now they're even. When each side achieves some form of satisfaction. Tom and Mike are co-workers. Tom played a trick on Mike. This is just a joke or something not too serious. And now Mike wants to get even. I'll get even with you. This is a statement that could be in the form of a threat, or it could just be some sort of a joke, or a person is really not serious. This is possibly something that you could say to a friend during friendly competition. Countries and groups at war try to get even with each other. This is one reason why it's difficult to end war. In a recent example, the United States attacked Iran. Iran is trying to get even. This is what happens during war, or you could call this warfare, when one side tries to get even with the other side. You'll find expressions like these expressed in religious texts. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Or a modern day equivalent would be, this is tit for tat. One side is injured, and then here is the response. This is the injury, and this is the response to the injury. Whatever bad thing happened, this happened first, and this is what happened in response. Getting even is kind of the opposite of this well-known expression. This is kind of a biblical expression. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. This is the golden rule. You should treat other people with respect, and they in turn will treat you with respect. Do a nice thing for somebody else, and they will do something nice for you, as you would expect. This is a very old preposition, unto. It's very similar to. Do unto, do to. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.